Good morning, students. Today, firstly, we will discuss the extract based question, and the name of the chapter is the hack driver. What really hurt 2 of 7? And our first question is, what hurt the narrator? Second question, why did the two laugh? Third question, which word in the extract is a synonym of delivered? Fourth question, what is the opposite of bright? You will do these 4 questions in your notebook. And the answer of the first question will be, what hurt the narrator? The laughter of Lutkins and his mother hurt the narrator. Second question, why did the two laugh? And the answer is, the two laughed because they had been successful in fooling the narrator. Next, which word in the extract is a synonym of delivered? Served from the extract is the synonym of delivered. Next, what is the opposite of bright? Its opposite is dull. You will do these questions in your notebook. Now we will discuss short answer type questions. First question, who is Lutkins? And the answer is, the hack driver himself is Lutkins, but pretends to be Bill Magnuson. He tricks the lawyer to avoid the summons to be a witness in a case. Next question, why is the lawyer sent to New Mullion? What does he first think about the place? And the answer is, the lawyer was sent to New Mullion to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins, who was needed as a witness in a law case. He first thinks that the place must be a sweet and a simple country village. Next question, do you think the lawyer was gullible? How could he have avoided being taken for a ride? And the answer is, yes, the lawyer was gullible. He believed every word of what Oliver Lutkins said. He should have asked about Lutkins from other villagers, but instead he depended completely on the hack driver. Next question, who is a conman or a confidence trickster? And the answer is, a conman or a confidence trickster is a person who makes a fool out of other people. He wins their trust first and then he gets from them whatever he wants. Next question, who befriends lawyer? Where does he take him? And the answer is, a hack driver at the station who called himself Bill Magnuson befriends him. He told the lawyer that he knew Lutkins and would help in finding him. Bill took him to all the places where Lutkins was known to hang out. He took the lawyer to Frid's shop where Lutkins played a lot of poker, to Gustav's barber shop and then to Gray's barber shop, to the pool room and several other places before finally taking him to Lutkins' mother's farm. However, Oliver Lutkins was not found. Next question, what does Bill say about Lutkins? And the answer is, Bill told the lawyer that Lutkins was a hard person to find as he was always busy in some activity or the other. He owed money to many people, including Bill, and had never paid back anybody. He also said that Lutkins played a lot of poker and was good at deceiving people. Next question, why does the hack driver offer to ask about Oliver Lutkins? And the answer is the hack driver was none other than Oliver Lutkins himself. He did not wish to take the summons and go as a witness. So he pretended to be a hack driver. He offered to help the lawyer so that the lawyer could not come to know about him from someone else. Next, but he was no more dishonest than I. Explain. And the answer is the narrator meant to say that the hack driver was as dishonest as him because he was getting paid for riding the narrator on his cart on the pretense of helping him. Next question, what did the hack driver tell the narrator about Lutkin's mother? And the answer is the hack driver told the narrator that Lutkin's mother was a real terror. He described her as a large and hefty lady with a fierce temper. He also said that she was quick as a cat. Next question, why did Lutkins pretend to be Bill Magnuson? And the answer is Lutkins pretended to be Bill Magnuson as he did not want to accept the summons and be a witness in the case. Next question, what more does Bill say about Lutkins and his family? And the answer is Bill told the lawyer that he knew mother of Lutkins. He added that she was a terror. He narrated an incident when he took a trunk to her once and she almost took his skin off because he did not carry it carefully. He also said that she was very tall and bulky. She was very quick and could talk a lot. He said that Lutkins must have heard that somebody was chasing him and consequently would have gone into hiding at his mother's place. Next question, when the lawyer reached New Mullion, did Bill know that he was looking for Lutkins? When do you think Bill came up with his plan for fooling the lawyer? And the answer is no. Bill did not know initially that the lawyer was looking for him. He must have made his plan for fooling the lawyer when the lawyer told him that he was looking for Lutkins, as he knew that he was required as a witness but did not want to give his testimony. Next question, what impressed the narrator most about Bill? Mention any two things. And the answer is the first quality that struck the narrator was that Bill was a cheerful, friendly and helpful man. Secondly, he loved Bill for his simple and philosophical wisdom. Next question, how did the chief react when the narrator returned to his town? Answer is the chief was furious at the narrator's failure to serve summons on Lutkins. He decided to send a man who knew Lutkins with the narrator the next day to serve summons on Lutkins. Next question, why do you think Lutkins' neighbors were anxious to meet the lawyer? And the answer is almost the entire village had enjoyed Lutkins making a fool of the lawyer. Only Lutkins' neighbors had not seen the lawyer but had come to know what happened. They wanted to see the gullible man who Lutkins had taken for a ride. That is why they wanted to meet him. Next question. After the first day's experience with the hack driver, the lawyer thinks of returning to New Mullion to practice law. Do you think he would have reconsidered this idea after his second visit? And the answer is no, absolutely not. After knowing how Lutkins had made fool of him, he would never return to New Mullion to practice law. Next question. How does the narrator find Lutkins eventually? And the answer is the narrator's companion had seen Lutkins. When the narrator pointed out the hack driver to him, he told him that the hack driver was Lutkins himself. In this way, the narrator found Lutkins eventually. Thank you very much.